Hi there, this is Ranjit, and this is going to be a different kind of a review. This is a new segment that I'm trying, that is the quick summary reviews. This will be a concise review. So this is the first one that I'm doing for the Galaxy S10 Plus. So guys, let me quickly summarize what I feel about the Galaxy S10 Plus, and I'm again recording it with its front-facing camera. First, let's talk about some of the negatives. I don't like that pill-shaped front-facing camera. That second camera is just for depth sensing. They should have gone with a single camera like the Galaxy S10. It would have looked a lot more elegant. And now coming to the battery life, it has that 4100 milliamp hour battery. I'm expecting a lot more, but don't get me wrong, the battery is okay for most users, but if you're sort of a heavy user and you're going to use it with two SIMs, then yes, the battery might not last for to you for the whole day. You might have to top it up in the evenings. That's what I have noticed. But for most regular users, yes, it is fine. But I was expecting slightly better. But again, I'm actually using it with always on display and also in the quad HD mode. So if you disable those things, maybe you can eke out about 30 minutes of extra battery life. But still, I was expecting slightly better battery life. So these are the two major cons about it. Now moving to the front-facing camera, also it's good enough as you can see. But again, if we compare it with the competition, I feel the competition slightly has better camera, and they should have gone with the wide angle lens on this one. Now let me talk about the positives with this one, and the first thing is, though it's a big device, 6.4 inches, Samsung has done a great job in terms of weight balance. It simply does not feel that heavy to hold. Second thing I really liked is now it has that stereo speakers, and they're hugely improved. Even on the Note 9 we had the stereo speakers, but I felt they were just not that great. But on this one, it's actually really good. You get that stereo effect, and most of the time I didn't have to keep it at max volume, so good job there. Also moving to the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, initially I was a little bit skeptical and it was not that great, but after the last OT update it has improved drastically, I would say, and it's much better than optical fingerprint scanner. But yeah, if you compare it with traditional fingerprint scanners, yes, it's not that great. But after about 11 days now, I have gotten used to it and works about 95% of the time. So ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is good, and believe me guys, this will be the future in high-end phones moving on. And I really like the triple camera setup at the back. The wide angle camera is actually really good, and that telephoto is there, and even the regular. So the rear facing camera setup is really good. Moving to the front facing camera, I felt it was slightly soft compared to the competition, but again, I'm just nitpicking. And overall I would say, if you're looking for an Android phone, and if around the $1,000 mark you have that kind of a budget, then yes, definitely the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus would be my first pick. But this is just start of 2019. Let's see what the competition brings. Anyways, overall I would say finally I'm happy with the Samsung Galaxy S10 device. And yes, moving to another thing I completely forgot about UI. It has that one UI and it works brilliantly on this. I haven't noticed any lagginess or RAM management issues on this device. Maybe it's just due to that 8 gigabytes of RAM, but I didn't have any issues. Traditionally we have with Samsung devices that laggy stuff and stuff. Nothing on this Galaxy S10 Plus. So guys, that was the quick summary review of the Galaxy S10 Plus. Don't worry, I will be posting the full in-depth review with every pros and cons. I'll go over every small nick and corner, and that review will be about 15 or 20 minutes. I'm working on that. That will be coming out soon. But anyways, what do you guys think about these quick summary reviews? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.